Faker Matt.
Got our reusable bags. Here we go. Into the flush. So everyone, just another public setting. But it actually isn't that crowded, so here we go.
These are good too, these three cars. Should I do these?
Yeah. We are currently shopping for, we're making special pasta. It's my mom's special pasta. That's what we call it, but it's basically just like a pasta dish with a lot of vegetables, and it's amazing. Maybe I'll vlog that later, but that's what we're currently shopping for. And then I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite things. Jalapeno, I've never had those. I usually buy these, but I have a lot at my house, so I don't need any right now. Oh, Mom, do we have gluten-free pasta at the house? Do we have gluten-free pasta at home? All right. My options. I usually eat Banza, but it doesn't really cook well for the kind of pasta we're gonna get.
We have Banza here.
I know, but it doesn't stay warm.
Got it.
Like, I don't think it's gonna go well with mixing it. We're going with that. Hi. I didn't end up buying as much stuff as I thought I was going to. But we bought a lot of stuff for our favorite pasta, so I think I'm gonna vlog. Also, everyone, we got the reusable bags, so it's like 10 cents off. Not that it even matters, because the bigger picture is helping the environment, which I'm really into this summer, so everyone. My mom's laughing. What? Okay, I guess I'm not really into it, but like I got a reusable cup at Starbucks, and I've been using that.
That's important.
I don't know. Yeah, I just feel like everyone should make an effort.
Little effort.
Even if it's small.
Little
I mean,
effort.
it's cliche. Everyone's like, oh, it's small efforts make a big difference, but it's true. They do.
Joel Osteen says put the cart back where it belongs. Your car.
Okay. Wait, what? I guess this big gold cup isn't really helping the environment, but 7-Eleven doesn't make reusable ones. Maybe we should suggest that. That's a good idea. So I've kind of been running out of video ideas, and I vlogged on the 4th of July. I don't know if I'm gonna post this or that, but yeah, if anyone has any ideas, leave a comment down below. I can always vlog, it's very easy, but I kind of like the theme ones, so this won't be like a recipe video. Going to get this, I'm gonna give this to CBS so they can develop it for me. For my film account, everyone follow it. Nothing's on it yet because I'm still waiting for the film to come back, but. Okay, party people, I just dropped off my camera. Waiting for it to come. Now we're going home to cook. Hello. You struggling?
Yeah, very much.
So guys, before I slam this finger in a door, and it's been over an hour now, and it still hurts. So,
Do you pick that up?
what?
With your finger.
Yeah, I can pick it up.
There's an old man's engine.
Bed of roses. Get this. Got it. Scissor. I got it. 409. All right. Okay. I think you'll be there.
Today, early in the day.
Well, take care of me right now, Carney. Hey, yeah. What?
You think you're gonna be up there tonight?
It's gonna be Carney just.
And then just by the eye, you can see if you want more tomatoes in it.
How about one?
Day in the life of Hannah Alice.
Oh, what? You just messed up that.
It's fine. I can
I'm
still eat
gluten
it.
free, but I'm still eating cheese.
So, going to check the waves for the boys because they might go surfing. The beach is gonna be so nice right now because it's low tide. And then I have class at 8:30, which is a bummer because my mom and I were so excited to watch Stranger Things together, and now we can't. I guess I could after class, but it doesn't until 10 o'clock.
Check out how sick this truck is. Look at that!
Turn it up.
Yo, look
Hey guys, just got back from a quick little run. Didn't really work out because I decided, hold on, music, talking, doesn't work. Just got back from a quick little run, which was a horrible idea after eating because I felt so sick and had to come home quick, so not doing that again. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Short, sweet, and fun. I'm currently listening to Ivy by Frank Ocean. I'm gonna go take a shower, drink some water, drink some Diet Coke, and get ready for my night class. Happy summer. Happy whatever day it is you're watching this. Go tell someone how much they mean to you. And I mean that, go do it. Because it's a nice thing to do. And if you had a New Year's resolution, check in with yourself. Have you been doing it? Or not? And if you haven't, maybe make a new one. Maybe try to do it. Catch you later, people. See you next time. Bye. Like my cold sore? Cute.
We get it almost every night when there